Hi there! Today, we will be refreshing our knowledge of fractions. Fractions refer to parts of a thing. For example, if I ask you to give me half of that cake, I mean you should divide the cake into 2 equal parts and give me one of the 2 parts. In a similar way, 5/8 refers to 5 out of 8 equal parts of something. A fraction has 3 parts: a numerator, which is the number on top, the denominator, which is the number below, and a dividing line between the 2. A fraction can be a proper fraction, an improper fraction, or a mixed fraction. In a proper fraction, the numerator is smaller than the denominator. In an improper fraction, the denominator is smaller than the numerator. A mixed fraction consists of a whole number and a proper fraction. It is also known as a mixed number. We can add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions or with whole numbers. We will see this in another lesson. I have a question for you. Which is greater? 7/8 or 5/8? 7/8, right? We can see this from these diagrams. If the denominators are the same, we can easily compare the numerators to know the bigger fraction. Now I have another question for you. Which is bigger? 1/3 or 2/5? Let's do a little activity. Get 2 cardboard papers of the same area. Divide the first one into 3 equal parts. Now keep one part. This part represents 1/3. Divide the second cardboard paper into 5 equal parts and keep 2 parts together. This represents 2/5. Now compare both fractions. Which is bigger? We can see that it is 2/5. Do we always have to cut paper in order to know the bigger fraction? No. We can solve this on paper. First, find the LCM of the denominators, then divide the LCM by each denominator and multiply by its numerator. This creates an equivalent fraction of each of the given fractions. The equivalent fractions created from the individual fractions have the same denominator, and this helps us compare the numerators to know which is bigger. In the case of 1/3 and 2/5, the LCM of the denominators is 15. For 1/3, let's get the equivalent fraction. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 5 times 1 is 5. So the equivalent fraction is 5/15. For 2/5, 15 divided by 5 is 3. 3 times 2 is equal to 6. The equivalent fraction is 6/15. Now we can see from the equivalent fractions that 6/15 is greater than 5/15. So 2/5 is greater than 1/3. This will be all for now. Remember that a fraction is a part of a whole. Have fun.